God did not tell you to quit your job. He may have told them to quit their job, but he did not tell you to quit your job. If you are like me and you have read Matthew chapter 4, verse 20, and thought to yourself, God, are you telling me to quit my job? And this is what it says. And they left their nets at once and followed him. I read that and I've read it a couple of times. And I was like, Lord, are you asking me to quit my job? He was not asking me to quit my job. And he's probably not asking you to quit your job, at least not yet. Listen, so you wanted proof. And so here it is. 1 Corinthians 7:17 says, each of you should continue to live in whatever situation the Lord has placed you and remain as you were when God first called you. This is my rule for the churches. And of course, this was written by Paul. So if you are wondering if God has told you to quit your job, there's your sign. This is your proof right now. He is not telling you to quit your job just yet. And here's the thing. A lot of time when God calls us, we think that the only way that we can serve him is behind a pulpit. You can serve God on the job that you have right now. God needs people in all places. Daniel didn't serve behind a pulpit. Daniel served in the government. Yes, he was not a preacher, he was not a pastor, he was a prophet, but he was also serving in the government. He had a government job. So, God is not calling you to quit your job, not yet. And here's the thing, we need to be wise and discerning, and we don't need to make rash decisions. So sometimes the season of announcement isn't the season of fulfillment. Paul preached the gospel and he sold tents to make a living. He still worked, he still made tents for a living. And so everyone that is called does not need to quit their job. There you have it. There's your answer. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Please be sure to like this video if you feel like this has helped you or added value to you. And also share it with someone who is thinking about quitting their job. This is their sign right here that God is not telling them to quit their job. All right. Y'all have a blessed day.